Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a fantastic day. Hope you were on the right side of AMD. Looks like down here, down what, about 4.5% or so in after hours. Kind of see it rejected here as kind of just what I'm noticing. Just rejected that 4 hour that it went into today. But getting into the futures. So today, remember yesterday, if you guys watched the daily bias video I put out this weekend, you would know today you should be expecting yesterday's high to be taken today. Um, FCC on Friday we closed bullish candle inside of here, so we expect this high to be taken. We took it. Then yesterday this candle closed above the body of this candle, so you would expect this high to be taken today. And you see that's exactly what we did. And then we have now ran into some targets that we discussed over the weekend. Um, you see, we're now tapping into this daily this daily fair value gap here. We finally got above this daily volume imbalance. We did not close above it, so not the most bullish sign, but there's something to watch. But yeah, we have now tapped into this higher daily FEG. Looking at ES, we finally got our target today as well. Um, let's see, we wanted this volume imbalance up to 4210 filled. You see, we got that. We also had a target of 4206 because it was because on the 4 hour and the daily, you guys already know what's coming. Uh, it was our 50% retracement here to 4206, and then you see we took that, and now we're kind of rejecting here. I think tomorrow, I think this is a possibility still. I do think we could still get up to 42.23. Maybe they save it for Powell, and a reason I say that is because if we go down to the 5 minute here, let's see, we'll get rid of this. You kind of see we left four equal highs up here on the 5 minute chart. So either these get taken tonight, or we take them tomorrow morning. But I do think these might be saved for Powell, and then we get some kind of wick up. Maybe we wick up, take these highs, and then eventually get up to 42.23, and then maybe we have our high of the week sitting there, and then maybe we come back down because you got to remember we do have some bearish targets that are still sitting down here. We still have this gap down here on ES down to 41.44, and then it ends at 41.41. That will get filled at some point. So this whole pump is like, yeah, it's nice, but these gaps are not going to get left open on futures. But you see, ES now filled its gap. We fully filled that today. Exactly what we wanted. NQ, obviously we hit our volume imbalance. We hit this daily FEG. ES, going back to the daily, and then you see as well. ES tapped into this daily FEG as well, so we do not have to go higher here. I mean, we absolutely could, but just have to see what kind of price action. I do think after Powell, whatever direction we wick to and then reverse to is our new like higher time frame trend, most likely going into tomorrow or tomorrow afternoon, I should say. But yeah, I'm expecting probably this high to be taken tomorrow, just because of this, and then on ES as well, I would expect probably this high to be taken. So maybe that is in line with those equal highs. I mean, for those equal highs there, I don't see them. I don't see them staying there. Um, and then maybe up to here, 42.23, and then see what happens from there. Kind of like what happened last week with the earnings. If I can find it. ES. Remember this or NQ? Remember last week we had earnings. So this would kind of be like what happens with Powell. Maybe we we wake up into this was you see this was the 1600 candle. So this was the earnings release, I believe, for Microsoft and Google. Yeah, last Tuesday. So it would have been for them. You see we wicked into it, put in a high of week, and then we reversed. I'm kind of thinking we might have that same thing shaping up, with ES on this 4 hour, because now we're at that 50% retracement. One thing, another reason I could see us going up a bit higher, obviously not just the equal highs on ES, those are kind of a sign, but I do see us, um, no, wrong thing. I do see us maybe getting up to 545 as well. You guys already know because of this 4 hour or this 4 hour range here, 50%, and then maybe this 4 hour gets tapped into, and then we go back lower. But it's just hard to be full bullish here just because we have these open gaps down here. And then another thing to note, if we start getting bearish, it's worth noting these on the smaller time frame down at 310, I believe. Yeah, 310.50. We have these relative equal lows down here, like this low here and this low here. We left that today. We did not take that low, and then we also have the gap to fill below. So those would be like bearish targets once we are confirmed bearish. And then let's just go over today's price action quick. Today's price action was really easy. The more you look at it, obviously I've been showing you guys like the power 3 accumulation, your manipulation leg. You come up here. Here's your retest of the manipulation leg, and then you would target this high. Didn't catch it today. Didn't see it in a lifetime. That one's on me, but you see that's exactly what played out. So that played out, and then you see. So what you have is accumulation. Your manipulation leg was literally just to come down, take London lows, and that was our low of day today. So that's why you always have to know where your London and Asia lows are. Obviously, Asia lows were up here. They got ran during London, and then we came back down, stopped everyone out of those London lows, and then we ripped back up. And then you see we did not take this low because it's showing you they saved it for later, kind of like the ES equal highs. That we have, they're saving those for later, possible for FOMC. So that was today. Pretty easily. I mean, hindsight's always a lot easier, huh? When you're looking at it, but I mean, that's what happened today. And then let's just go over conditions tonight. Obviously AMD dumping a little bit here. Let's go look at the 15-minute chart, see what we can look at. So obviously we inverse this 15 here. I would be watching this 15 to see if we close back below it, and I'd be watching this 15. Um, if we close back below, especially this one, I would be looking. We're going straight for here, probably for FOMC. And obviously, if we hold, both of these, or just even this one, I do think we wick up for FOMC and then back down. And then for ES, kind of looking at not much here. Either I guess there are there's a 15 here that we kind of held, and then we have a 15 down here. So that's what I would be looking for. Look for these to hold. If they do not, you guys you already know to expect these lows, and then obviously we have the gap fill down here, but that's a little ways away from here. So, and then if this holds, I'm still looking for the equal highs, and then up to 42.23 on NQ. If this holds and we inverse, if we can close back above this 15 right here, I'd be bullish at least back to 503, and if we go to 503, I think we go and tap into into this 4-hour FEG sitting at the 50% retracement back up. One more thing I want to look at, DXY was moving with the charts today, pretty weird, but getting closer to the buy side target up here. Obviously coming off these lows, coming down, and then this morning I pointed out DXY was working on a 4-hour inverse here. You see we closed above it today. We retested it, and now we're starting to fully run this nice clean 4-hour downtrend, and then probably back up to 106.900 level, and then see if we. And I think it continues higher up to buy side just because it's a clear high, and that's probably where, like, by time DXY gets up here, maybe DXY going up here brings us back down to the NQ and the ES gaps below. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at going into tomorrow. One more thing I did want to point out on NQ. This would be very crucial to look at in case if we do wick higher tomorrow and then back down. This is what I'm going to be looking for. We have this bullish weekly FEG here. If we close this week below here, I think next week we make our way down to that 13,900 fair value gap. If we don't close below it, we'll just have to obviously keep watching our daily price action and then see how price goes from there. So with that, hope you guys have a wonderful evening and happy Halloween.